Hey boys, to all you Jacob's sons, I am walking to the equipment that you might have seen in the previous video. And here is yesterday's work tearing out stumps. It's a real mess here, but I'll show you some of the controls on the equipment. So I have to later get a bulldozer in here to smooth everything out before I can put the gravel down for the driveway. Here's some of these big stumps that I pulled out yesterday. If I can get through here. So here's the equipment here. This is they call it CAT, C-A-T, but it stands for Caterpillar, which is the company that makes this equipment. And so this is it's called an excavator. And this blade here in the front helps stabilize when you're digging. This here is the digger, and this is called the thumb. So you can actually lift things up with the bucket and the thumb, pick them up and move them around, so that's been handy. So you can see that is the rest of the stumps that I have to pull out. So let's unlock this. We push this door and it latches solid. All right, I'm in the cab right now. Should have taken that backpack off. I'm going to put it on pause here. Okay, so in this equipment, you can't start it. There's a lever next to the seat, and I have to push this all the way down. Actually, the only way you can start it is with that up. I'll start it first. If I get the key out of my pocket, here it is. Key. Alrighty. You'll hear the engine. Alright. So I'm going to push this lever down. It will engage the controls. I'll just show you. So basically, if you've ever played games on the computer, it has what's called the joystick control. That is right here. So if I pull it back, it lifts the bucket up. If I push it this way, it moves the actual bucket for dumping or digging. And this lever here runs the thumb. And then this joystick here basically turns it side to side, the whole unit. I pull it back, it pulls the arm in. I push it forward and moves it out. So that's the controls. So I'm going to start digging, and I'll set the camera up later on to film a little more of this. Okay, have a good day. I'll put this video up on YouTube so you guys can watch it.